What can you buy for under $850,000 and still be in the core of Seattle? Hi, I'm Michael Gervais, and I'm the listing manager and a licensed real estate broker with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain. I'm the one in charge and taking care of all of our Diva dwellings, aka listings. And let me tell you, I know exactly what you can buy for under $850,000 in Seattle. Let's head inside and take a tour of this amazing townhouse that our good friend and one of our favorite Diva dwellers is selling in Seattle. Our Diva dweller, Marlene, has one of the most discerning eyes when it comes to layout, specifically kitchens. Many of the townhouses that have been built recently are not designed to allow you to actually cook. And all of us are spending more time home. The need to craft something truly yummy on this designer stove is essential. Check out all the storage. Speaking of baking, I'm gonna whip up some of Kim's famous cookies while we tour this home. From the lower bedroom downstairs all the way to the roof, this home offers tons of light with each space. Windows on the east, south, and west sides mean you get tons of natural light all day long, which is hard to say for most townhomes. Being that it's east facing, you also get beautiful territorial views over Madison Valley. This month is the perfect time to peep those color changing trees. The roof deck, what can I say? Take a look around. You can see for miles from up here. In fact, you can see the Cascades on a clear day. Up here, you have hookups for a gas grill and water for your plants. If planting on the roof feels like a pain, worry not. This complex has its own garden where you can grow your veggies to bring back up here to grill. Hosting friends up here is a breeze. This home is only a few years old and was built by one of the better home builders on the market, but that's not enough. Our Diva dweller has put in a ton of upgrades in the kitchen with storage galore, as well as heated tile floors in the bathroom upstairs, making this home beyond special. She's also made sure to keep up on general maintenance on the home, so there are no surprises for future homeowners. One future upgrade is that hardly ever seen in the new townhouses is that parking space that is already wired for an electric car charging station. And did I mention our fab cellar added AC? As the last year and this constant state of change has taught us, our neighborhoods are more important than ever. When it comes to special neighborhoods with specific charm, Madison Valley is no different. We love to get fresh plants from city peoples. We hang out with friends and past clients at Cafe Flora or Bar Cantonetta. Heck, after this video, I'm gonna go take a stroll through the Arboretum and peep those fall colors up close myself. Thank you so much for joining me in touring this fabulous home. And now you know what you can buy for under $850,000 in Seattle. And I can assure you, this is pretty fabulous. I've seen them all. Anywho, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Over the next week or so, we will be releasing even more spectacular nuggets about this fabulous townhome in Madison Valley. Make sure you hop over to our socials and stay connected. Check out Team Diva's Facebook and Instagram channels. And as Kim would say, ciao for now. Speaking of Kim, let's have one of her famous cookies. Delicious and freshly baked, just like this Diva dwelling.